Handang-handa na ang mga Pinoy sa global scene.
Yes.
Parang it's a crossover of different creative minds. So from fashion to art to dance and other stuff. So dito po yung parang celebration and fusion ng lahat ng siguro po ng lahat ng interests ng bawat isa dito. And nakakatuwa po na nagsasama-sama yung mga ganitong tao para sa isang goal and passion na magpasaya and syempre maka-inspire. So we're just very grateful that we have the platform, and we are very grateful that we have Sir Francis Libera to celebrate with us for our 7th anniversary.
Ayun po, parang katulad nga ng sinabi ni Sir Francis, celebration talaga ito ng Filipino minds eh.
Yeah.
Parang ano eh, handang-handa na ang mga Pinoy sa global scene.
Yes.
Nakita niyo naman yung presentation, yung mga models natin, yung damit, even yung set, di ba? Parang hindi mo talaga pwede sabihin na putyo-putyo ang Pinoy. Parang pwede na siya i-export.
Pwede.
Eh, dami ko nang gusto sabihin, pero even the government here, marami nang support pagdating sa creatives natin. And for sure, in the future, mas marami pang mangyayari sa ating art, Filipino art.
Looking at how, working with the boys right now, nakita ko how the respect, yung kanilang, how they do things. It's such inspiring thing for me. Na parang may kanya-kanya silang style, may kanya-kanya silang identity. And that alone inspires me to do what I want to do. You know, and lima sila eh, diba? And syempre they're very creative in their own different ways. And they have their own identity.
You inspire us also.
Thank you very much. But through them, I was able to come up with something very different with each one's personality in terms of clothing and fashion.